Let us talk about the invisible gas, methane. It is cooking our planet way faster than even carbon dioxide. New satellite data called out Turkmenistan as world's biggest climate super-emitter. And it's topping the charts with 15 of the top 25 methane leak sites on the planet. We are talking about massive plumes leaking up to 10.5 tons of methane every single hour. Before we go further into this story, please check this week's other important news on our website downtoearth.org.in, or you can also subscribe to our Down to Earth YouTube channel. Now, let's get back to the story. Methane is like the sprinter of greenhouse gases. While it doesn't stay in the atmosphere as long as carbon dioxide, it is 86 times more powerful at trapping heat over a 20-year period. Methane accounts for roughly 30% of the rise in global temperatures since the Industrial Revolution. The International Energy Agency claimed Turkmenistan, a small Central Asian country, is an oil and gas producing nation, especially with one of the largest natural gas reserves in the world. According to 2023 data of IEA, Turkmenistan produces more than 27 lakh terajoules of domestic natural gas yearly, making this former Soviet Union state 8th largest natural gas exporter in the world. Satellite data processed by Carbon Mapper and analyzed by the Stop Methane project shows that 15 of the world's top 25 methane emission sites in 2025 from the oil and gas sector were in Turkmenistan. Ironically, Turkmenistan joined the Global Methane Pledge at COP28, which is great on paper, but satellites don't lie. The leaks are still happening. But why should we care in India? Strikingly, India is the third largest methane gas emitter in the world across sectors. While the latest findings focus on oil and gas operations, earlier studies have highlighted methane emissions from landfill sites as well. For example, Delhi's Ghazipur landfill is a global super-emitter. One massive leak there was like the pollution from 68 million cars hitting the atmosphere at once. This happens because our food and paper waste are just rotting away in oxygen-starved heaps. It's time to fix how we handle our waste before the heat gets even wilder. To learn more how a city can manage their organic waste, watch our 4-part video docuseries of Beyond the Bins on our Down to Earth YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below.